How can you use your passive income to make another stream of passive income? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck, and I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011, where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business. Okay, so I'm actually really excited about this video. Somebody had answered one of the questions to get into my free Facebook group, atmmoneymakers.com. I'll put a link below, by the way. And he said, how can I use my passive income to start another passive income stream? And I love that question, and I love this topic. I love talking about passive income. So here's the thing. When most people start, they don't have any passive income, right? They have none. So a lot of times the ATM business might be their first passive income stream. So initially, folks are usually using active income to start their first passive income stream, right? So maybe from a job. Or, you know what, maybe they used OPM, other people's money, like a line of credit or cash advance on a credit card or something like that, right? But generally, it's not passive income money that allows them to start their first passive income stream, right? So let's just go with the idea that they're saving money from a job, and that's how they're starting their first passive income stream. And let's just say it's the ATM business, okay? So they saved up enough money to start an ATM business. $6,000. Okay, they saved up $6,000, and now they're starting their first passive income stream with an ATM business. Ideally, if you want more passive income, you can take the money that you make from your ATM business and put it into another passive income stream. Now, I don't recommend doing that right away. Like, I don't recommend you starting your ATM business today, and then next week you start investing in real estate, and then the next week you start stocks. Like, don't do that. Like, don't get that little shiny object syndrome going on, right? Don't. Start your ATM business. Relax. Learn it. Get comfortable with it. Fine tune it. Like, have that passive income stream that you just started throwing off cash like nobody's business, right? Have the passive income that you want like clockwork every month, in and out. Boom. It's maybe you're shooting for $3,000 a month. I don't even know. I'm just making this up. Let it make $3,000 a month, $3,000 a month, $3,000 a month. And by the way, it's going to take you some time before you get the $3,000 a month in passive income, right? Shit doesn't just happen like that, guys. Okay? It takes time to build it up. Right, so now you're at the point where you got $3,000 a month coming in. Awesome. Keep doing $3,000 a month, right? But now you should be well versed in fine tuning. You have this well-oiled machine operating for you. Now, if you want to start another passive income stream, use that money that's coming in from your ATM business to start and invest in another passive income stream. There's nothing wrong with that, guys. Like, I'm a huge fan of multiple streams of passive income. I tell my students, create multiple streams of passive income, not multiple streams of debt, right? Multiple streams of passive income are amazing. So I've been a real estate investor since 1999. I'll always be a real estate investor. Now, the way I invest in real estate has shifted over time, right? I'm more passive now. Versus active, like wholesaling and flipping and stuff like that, right? I'm a hold kind of person now, but I'll always be in real estate, okay? Once we move to the beach, I'll get more involved in real estate. We're looking at multi-unit properties. We're looking at self-storage facilities, right? Use the passive income that you generate to invest in other passive income streams. But don't do that until you have that well-tuned, fine-oiled machine, okay? Just concentrate right now. Focus right now on that one passive income stream. And when it gets you cranking some money like nobody's business, then look at putting some of that money into another passive income stream. Hopefully that makes sense. If you guys have any questions about that, was a great question. I'm so happy that the person that asked it. But if you have any questions about this, please feel free to post below. I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And don't forget to click that little ATM right there and subscribe to this channel. And please give me some thumbs up, some likes, all right? And yeah, definitely comment, leave a question below if you have any. Also, if you have an idea for a next video that you want me to make, post that below too. All right. Passive income is huge. Big fan of multiple streams of passive income, but just for now, focus on one, build it up, get it fine tuned, and then boom, use that income, that passive income, to purchase or start or invest into your next passive income stream. All right. And if you would like your first or next passive income stream to be the ATM business, and you would like yours truly to help you start and grow a profitable ATM business, then I welcome you to go to atmbusinessblueprint.com. What you want to do is you're going to enter your email. On the next page after you enter your email, stop. There is an amazing video. Watch it. It's about 28 minutes long. You can watch it, or you can put the closed caption on and read it. It don't matter. But watch it. Pay attention. If you're still interested and you have a minimum, remember, you need a minimum of $6,000 for startup costs. If you're still interested after you watch that video, fill out the application and then schedule a call with my team. They'll go over your goals they'll go over your goals with you. And then if there's one of my training programs that'll be a fit for you, boom, I welcome you aboard, and I look forward to helping you kick butt with your new ATM business. All right, Carey Buck here, signing off. Have a great day. Talk to you soon, and may you live happily off of passive income.